So from your phone, you can access multiple offices and multiple practices that you're working out of. And you can see your schedule, and you access the patient file by clicking on the radial dial pad right next to the patient's name. And you'll see the patient's file history appear, and you can see their treatment plans, progress notes, radiographs, odontograms, exams, everything that you've entered. You can filter by radiographs only or charting. Okay, so you have access to everything here. And of course, you can enter a new note: prescribed amoxicillin 500 milligrams, TID for 7 days, period. The patient has no allergies, period. We will see her next week for a post-op, period. You can also upload a file from your photo library. And there we have it. So all imaging will appear in chronological order.
Dovetail. Things like you work.